Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So a little bit like last week, I don't have a ton to work with, so I'm just kind of rummaging through things that I do have, and I found this really weird piece of wood. It is wood. I did paint it black. I was starting a project with it yesterday, and then I realized this would probably make a cool video, hopefully, if it comes out good. I'm realizing now that it kind of looks like an avocado. Like an avocado that is 5 minutes old. That's what this looks like. But I have this weird piece of wood. I have like weird scraps of wood from my grandpa just for like days like this, really. Just random projects. So I thought this kind of looked like, besides an avocado, like a geode. Right? Kind of looks like a, you know, with a hole in the center. I want to do like a galaxy themed geode on this avocado shaped piece of wood that I've painted black. That's this video. Also, the last time I did a geode project, I saw a lot of people that said that the geodes weren't realistic looking, and I just want to say in this video, what I'm going to be making, I'm not going for like photorealistic or anything. I'm really just going for something fun. So this is not going to be realistic. It's just going to be a galaxy geode on a piece of wood. So if you're interested in seeing if I can turn this weird black piece of wood that's in the shape of an avocado into a galaxy themed geode that is not realistic, then continue watching. Okay, so I have, like I said, I rummaged through things I already have, and so I had these little pieces of glass that I have kind of chopped up into even finer pieces. So I'm going to use those to kind of like line the edges and make like a crystally looking situation, and I picked blue and purple because we're going to be doing galaxy themed. I'm also going to be using some dispersion colors. I feel like you guys are going to get sick of hearing about these dispersion colors, but they are really fun to use. So this is what they look like, and I'm going to be using the colors Flamingo, maybe some Tsunami, Majestic Mauve, Sky Blue, and White Snow. And then I'll probably be using some glitter as well. I'll show you guys the color once I pick it. And I have never like glued down and made a geode with stuff like this before. So, will this work? I think I'm going to try to just quickly super glue some of these like little shards of glass down and make the edge, and then we will mix up some resin and color them and put some glitter in some, and hopefully this will look like a galaxy themed geode. So I'm going to get started on gluing some of these little shards of glass down, and then we will continue from there. Okay, I'm back, and this took me a little while. So all I did was I super glued a bunch of that broken up glass onto the very edges and then on the inside as well. And then I also taped up the back side, which I forgot to do first, which I would recommend to do first because it was kind of annoying to like hold on to this, get the tape on it. I also put some tacks on the back so that when I set it down, it will hold it up a little bit and all the resin will drip off the sides. I saw this tack idea on Instagram. Somebody put tacks on the back when they were doing a top coat of something. I forget who it was, but it was cool, and I thought I would try it out and see if it is better than just putting like cups or whatever on the bottom. I have a bunch of plastic cups here that I'm going to be mixing up, pouring some clear resin into each one of these, and then we're going to be using these colors and making, hopefully, what'll look like a geode. Oh, I'm going to be using one of these cups for clear resin, and then I'm just going to put glitter in it. Oh my god, hey guys, it's time for a little bit of a voiceover because I didn't want you guys to kind of be lost in the woods with this. So all I'm doing here is I took the medium viscosity resin, just a clear cup of it, and I poured it around the shards of glass around the edges just to kind of secure them in place, because right now there's really only just the glue. And then after that, what I'm doing here is pouring the different like layers or the different like rings of the colors that I mixed up. So I have like the sky blue and the majestic mauve color, I think it was, and then the glitter mixture. And I did end up skipping the pink, thank goodness, because I felt like it kind of had no place in this. And then I'm just taking a popsicle stick and kind of merging them together a little bit. And then, once I was done pouring the two different colors in the glitter mixture, I went in with my mixture of medium viscosity resin and the white dispersion color, and I went in and just kind of like drew those white lines where I wanted the divided colors to be. Okay, so that is all I'm going to be doing for this part. I'm going to let that cure, and then I'll probably come back once it's totally cured on the top and like paint on some white lines and kind of redefine that white line. What did I want to tell you? Oh, that I completely bailed on the pink because I feel like it just had no place in this piece and it would have kind of stood out in a bad way, but this is what it looks like. So I will see you guys maybe later today, maybe tomorrow. I'm not sure, probably tomorrow. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right, so it's the next day and this is what we're working with. I think it is super pretty. I kind of can't get the idea of an avocado out of my head, but I still think it's really pretty. So what I'm gonna do now is use some acrylic paint, this one to be exact, and I'm going to paint some lines like right, kind of like how a geode painting looks, but like right at the edges of the different colors. But yeah, I kind of love how this is coming out. It is really, really pretty. And I'm really, really, really glad that I did not put pink because it just would not have worked. I feel like it would have stood out way too much. Okay, so we are going to start painting those lines and then top coat, and then I will be back tomorrow to see how this looks. Avocado geode. Okay, so all I really did for this part was I took the white paint and kind of traced where the different colors began and ended, like where the purple met the blue or the, you know, like black glittery parts, and I just kind of like traced those lines to kind of outline the different shapes that it naturally made. So this is obviously a few days worth of resin cured on the back of this tape. So I took my heat gun and I kind of just like warmed up that resin and was able to peel it off. It's a lot easier to peel off those like big drippies of resin off the back of your pieces if you warm it up first. And thus, an avocado-shaped, galaxy-themed geode was born. I don't know, I kind of love it, right? I don't know. let me know what you guys think, because I think it's really pretty. I did go in and add some like gold lines. I wasn't sure if I was going to do that, and that's why you kind of didn't see it. I did show you it like after and doing the top coat over it, but I did like last second add some like gold lines around the white lines that I also added, and I just think that it gave it like a different like layer to it. And obviously like the glitter in the center is so pretty. I'm just in love with this. Anyway, let me know what you guys think of this. I'm just kind of like, I kind of love it. I'm obsessed with it. I think it's so pretty. I'm gonna get a few shots of it hanging on my wall so you guys can see what that looks like. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Let me know what you guys think of our Avocado Galaxy Geode. Make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel and follow. I don't know why I can't spit this out. Make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel and follow me on Instagram. It is at Artsymadwoman. I love you guys so freaking much, and I will see you on the next video. Goodbye. Goodbye. Come say bye. You saying bye? Are you saying bye? Oh.